welcome to LaMeel Magic. I am Priestess LaMeel of LaMeel.com, and I teach on magic, manifesting, spirituality, and high vibrational living. Welcome to our series on igniting your intuition over the next 20 days. If this is your first video, you might want to stop and go back and start with video 1. However, these are designed to where you can do these mini 5-minute rituals excuse me, in any order that suits you. Let's get into today's ritual, which is about creating space. It's more about being creative than creating, right? And I wrote down this little saying, is like, as long as you are contributing, expressing, and positively consuming information, you are creating. What you're doing is you are consuming right now this positive information that I'm sharing with you, but you're creating a new thought pattern. You're creating new ideas. You're making room for something new. If you write, if you journal, if you paint, if you dance, all of those things are creating and being creative, right? If you like to do crafts, if you like to, what do you call it? I don't know what it's called, like when you take stuff, old stuff, and make it new again, right? Painted and all that kind of stuff. All of that is being creative. If you doodle, if you like to be out in nature, if you plant things, if you grow things, if you like to sit in nature, if you love animals and you're interacting with animals, any type of play is creating. The idea of today's ritual is to break your routine. Break your routine, do something fun, do something out of the box, do something that expands you, that ignites you, that brings you joy, that makes you happy, that you don't normally get to do a lot. A lot of people love music and they only dance, if they dance, on the weekends when they're at a club or with other people. Turn your room into the club and get down like, you know, shake that ass like you was at the club, right? If you want to paint, it doesn't have to be expensive. Dollar store literally has canvases and paint. My kids love to be creative, but I am not about to spend a shit ton of money on canvas. There's too many of them. So I buy a lot of canvases from the Dollar Tree, and they paint and they paint and they paint, and then as I see who gravitates towards it more, then I'm willing to invest more into their artistic expression, right? And some of them like to paint, some of them like to draw, some of them, you know, like to do other things like baking and what have you. So get into it. Even baking is a really great creative thing to do, but the idea is to get into creative activities. So find your creative thing, try, what day are we on, 10? Pick 20 new creative things you've never done before, like clay. Clay is so fun. I suck at it, by the way, but it's just so fun to get in there and to like, I fucking love it, and it never looks like anything, so I call it abstract. Needless to say, I get my little burst of creativity. I have a lot of fun, and then I paint it and I bling it, and you know, people ask for it. So go figure. It's my creative expression. I want to know, what is your creative expression? What are you going to be doing? How are you going to be doing it? Post pictures, share with me, send them to me, tag me in them on Instagram at LaMeel and at LaMeel Magic. I would love to see them, and I am really, really excited to hear how things are going with you. Please leave a comment below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this ritual, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, and all of the links to contact me, follow me, and communicate with me are down below. I love you guys, and I did this one in less than 5 minutes, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video.